Hi, my name is Francis Eze from London. What made me to look into starting this business was my experience over the last 12 years. I've had 7 surgeries on my spine in the last 12 years, health issues. Before that, I was doing 4 different jobs, and then the health issues came in, and I really went through a lot of pain and suffering, and ended up having 7 surgeries on my spinal cord. I've recovered now, and basically I want to start my life fresh and do business. That's what I want. That's my drive, to start up a business. I have 4 children that needs looking after. I haven't seen them for a while due to health issues, but now I'm back on my feet, and I'm looking forward to the future, building a future not just for myself but for my children as well. And that is the main reason why I really wanted to start this business. The training with Joe has been inspirational. I'll go as far as to say spiritual as well. He's a very interesting guy, dynamic. I enjoyed talking with him, listening to him as well. He has a lot of insights, everything about the business. He completely blew me away. Joe is a great guy. And I look forward to working and training with Recruitment Startup. And I look forward to the future, really, with this company. Definitely, I'll recommend Recruitment Startup to everybody that I know that wants to start up a business, because I think it's a very, very good business, and you can make a lot of money. So I'm looking forward to it. Plans for the future is to run my own agency, to make lots of money in order to be able to look after my children. I have 4 of them, and they need my help. So I need to step up to the plate and work as hard as possible to make as much money as possible to get the things in life that I want. That is my wish.